So the next example that I will show you is an example where I'm going to edit a document inside of the Word app. And this is using an integration that we've decided does fit our security requirements. It takes advantage of the fact that many of our customers are using mobile device management, and it allows you to directly edit a document. So let me show you that very quickly so that you can get a view for how that looks. So if I start here in iManage, one of the things that we do is we just present a very simple mobile-friendly view into your document management system. You can quickly look up a client, a matter, a file by document ID, and you can certainly go and look at the things that you were working on recently. So if I look here, you can see this one, the royalty, the royalty split agreement document that we were talking about. And with this email link option here, I can essentially send someone else in my firm a DMS link directly to the document. So I could say, hey, take a look at this and make some edits on my behalf. Rather than send it this way, I've already sent it to myself for this demo. So we'll switch back over here. So now I've received this document management link, whether that's a hyperlink for Work 10 or Net Documents, or it's an NRL, which is common to all iManage versions. And I can just go ahead and say, now I want to edit it. And I go ahead and I tap the edit button, and now Link is going to check out the document prepared for editing in Word. And we have a managed integration with Word, which means we take this one file, we pull it out of our own proprietary encryption system, we encrypt it using iOS's native encryption, just that one file, and we let you edit it. Okay, so now I can just make a small change. And then part of what we mean by completing the flow here is that when you come back into Link, Link is going to detect that you've edited this document. And now you see that Link is saying you have unsaved changes to this document. I simply go ahead and tap on that document. And now I have a way to check it back into my document management system.
What would happen if I were working on a document in Link that I had checked out for my DMS and for some reason the app closes inadvertently?
So part of what we're doing here is we've built Link on top of a native file system that is an encrypted file system of our own creation. So we do store things locally. It's not that while the applications that you're seeing, the actual user interface is a web application served from behind the firewall, there is a tight integration with everything that's going on locally, which means if you lose it, you come back right to it. If the app crashes or you run out of battery on your device, we have to recognize that at any moment your mobile device might just go off because the battery dies, and you get back right to where you were without any issue. And the same thing applies if you go online or offline. Obviously, most of the time nowadays you're online, but we have to handle the case where you lose network connectivity or you're in a place where there is none. And so we have an entire local storage area here on the device inside of the app that you can access. We call it My Files. And here you can go and you can look at, for example, all of the files that you've viewed in the last 7 days. So if you want to find something that you were looking at a few days ago, you easily can. And you can look at things that you recently edited. This is a document that I annotated using the PDF annotation feature. And you can look at things that have been deleted, or you can even browse by where you downloaded it from. So here I've got client matter, and Link is automatically categorizing documents to make it easy for me to find them.